All right, then, warm welcome back. There are moments in life when something deep within whispers, there's more. Not more striving or spirits of performance, but more truth, more alignment, and a deeper awareness of the presence of God within. This special report was born from that journey. It isn't just something I wrote, it is something I've lived through collapse, awakening, and rediscovering my true identity. I found a new way of seeing life, and this report is the map I wish I've had. As you read, you'll discover why life has unfolded the way it has, how your identity shapes your reality, and practical tools to help you move from survival into alignment. So don't rush, read slowly, reflect deeply, and allow these pages to become more than information. My prayer is that they become an invitation to remember who you truly are. Welcome to the threshold. Let's begin.